2012 Ford Focus SE. You'll need a star pattern, star bit, and I put it on an extension, put some tape so it doesn't fall when you unscrew it. Funtime production, so I just changed out the speed sensor on my 2012 Ford Focus. And now, speed sensor. This is the speed sensor. Look at this thing. Yeah, we changed that out on Funtime production. We're gonna show you the truth. Have some fun. You're never too old to have Funtime production. Now on to putting the tire back on. I had to get lug nuts for this Ford car because these Ford Focuses come with like really cheap lug nuts. But use yourself a knee pad if you need. Look at the back tire. So the Ford's back like that. started working on this. And while this was getting dropped, actually, it was slipping backwards. And it's not good because he's in park.